Hello everyone! Welcome to part 4. In this video, we will try to finish Black Bear's quest if possible. And we will try to get Honey Mask. So let's go! So I found a golden sprout, let's hope we get a gold egg for Honey Mask. Good sprout, I got a golden egg. But now we will grind the Black Bear quest. Let's go! Okay, I skipped the rest since it was too long and boring, but I finished Spider Field. But let's get back to grinding. Second is Pepper Patch. Okay, I wasn't able to finish Black Bear's quest, but the next video will be pretty long, so stay tuned.